Hello everyone! Today we're going to work with the student book, page 13. ¿Está en la página 13 del libro de Students? Sí, ese. Very good. Now, hoy vamos a leer sobre Benny. Benny's Day. Yes? Look at this picture. What action is he doing? What is he doing? Get up? No. Look, it's night. Go to bed. Very good. What about here? Go to the park. Actually, it's play in the park. Good. This one? Have breakfast. Very good. He's having milk and toast, I think. Yes. And here, yes. What is that? Get up. Very good. And here, with his family, mother and father, mom and dad, they are eating. Yes, they are having lunch. Podría ser lunch, podría ser el almuerzo, or dinner. No lo sabemos todavía. Vamos a leer el texto que nos va a indicar qué es esa acción. ¿Ok? ¿Cuál es? Vamos a leerlo juntos. ¿Ok? We're going to read and number the pictures. Tenemos que ordenarlas según el texto de Benny. Benny gets up at 7 o'clock. What time does he get up? ¿Dónde estaba? ¿Dónde estaba? Acá. Así que vamos a ponerle number 1. Number 1. He gets up at 7 o'clock. ¿Vieron? 7 o'clock. Good. He has breakfast at 8 o'clock. And then he goes to school. Siempre vamos a leer hasta el punto. ¿Sí? Muy bien. ¿Dónde está esa acción? Have breakfast. That would be number 2. Very good. Here it is. Number 2. Seguimos. He plays in the park at 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, he plays in the park. Can you see that picture? Good. This is the picture. Very good. Number? Good. Well done. Sigamos leyendo. He has dinner with his mom and dad at 6 o'clock. And he goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Uy, acá tenemos 4 and 5 juntos. Miren, vamos a separarlo por este and. He has dinner with his mom and dad at 6 o'clock. Have dinner? ¿Cuál es el dibujo? Very good. This one. Le vamos a poner 4. Okay. Now, last one. He goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Good. He goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Último. This number 5 is really horrible. Okay, very well done. Ahora, ustedes van a hacer la actividad de abajo. Esta. Look and say what the children do. Van a elegir una amiga. Yes, yo les voy a hacer un ejemplo con Claire. Yes. Y van a decir qué hace cada chica. Yes. Cada compañerita. Según estos dibujitos. Por ejemplo, Claire gets up at 6 o'clock. Claire goes to school at 8 o'clock. Claire has a dinner at 6 o'clock. Claire goes to bed at 9 o'clock. ¿Ok? Ahora ustedes, no se preocupen porque la clase que nos veamos vamos a jugar con esta actividad.